On September 4, 2023, Trooper Brandon Truen of the Arkansas State Police tried to pull over a gray sedan, but the driver took off, kicking off a very short and brutal pursuit.
Engine got a gray passenger car running at a high rate of speed.
As the trooper accelerated to catch up with the speeding vehicle, he failed to avoid a biker who was trying to move aside to let him pass.
Need an ambulance and 911 stop over involved in AMBA. There's a motorcycle involved.
The biker was later identified as 63-year-old Michael Owens, who tragically lost his life in the crash. Trooper Truen suffered minor injuries and was released from medical care the next day. On October 13, 2022, Arkansas State Police Trooper Joseph Killian tried to stop a black Kawasaki ZXJ motorcycle that had no license plate, but it quickly became clear that the rider had no intention of pulling over.
Go ahead and show me 1037.
As the suspect hit the throttle and ran red lights, the trooper stayed right on his tail, weaving through traffic and sharing real-time updates over the radio to coordinate with backup.
Avenue and Emerson Street. Speed 71, still northbound. Broadway, West 16th, northbound, speeds 80.
As the chase dragged on, the trooper's truck closed the gap multiple times, but the suspect remained defiant, weaving through lanes as if he had nothing to lose.
Speed above 111.
Looks like a black male, green backpack, black helmet.
Copy, coming out of on leaving.
Just as the trooper was about to corner the suspect, everything shifted in an instant. What followed was so sudden and shocking that it left everyone in disbelief.
We're westbound, coming up on Allen Street.
Westbound on Allen.
10-4, Allen and Chandler. We're taking Chandler Street right now. He's on foot. He crashed out.
Get on the ground! I'll shoot you! I'll shoot you! He's on fire! He's on fire! Get extinguisher! Extinguisher! He's on fire! Put your hands behind your back!
The suspect was later identified as Christopher Gaylor. During the attempted escape, a second trooper, Austin Duncan, deployed his taser twice. On the second attempt, sparks ignited a fire that set Gaylor ablaze. At the hospital, Gaylor's father revealed he had been carrying a jug of gasoline in his backpack, which caught fire when the taser hit. Christopher Gaylor eventually recovered from his burns. He was given 7 years of probation, but died in a car crash a year later. On August 23, 2024, at approximately 9:30 p.m., an Arkansas state trooper observed two motor